Hello, Pox here, and I'm doing a quick review on an AKASO Trace 1 dash camera. Now this was sent to me by the company to review, so yeah, take that at face value on whether or not my opinion is altered. I'm going to compare it to the dash camera that's built into the Tesla Model 3 that my wife has. So this is a dual 1080p Starvis Night Vision Sony chipset, and it's supposed to have infrared night vision. This is about a $100 camera, so significantly cheaper than like the more popular dash cams on the market. We'll see what's inside the box. So we got a reference guide. This is using mini USB, which is crazy this day and age. That's kind of disappointing. Looks like we got some mounting hardware, our 12 volt with pass-through, and a pry bar. And I imagine this is to get into some trim, so if you wanted to mount this up here and route the cable around to wherever your 12 volt is, you could do that. Ta-da! The actual dash cam itself feels incredibly lightweight and plastic. So we need to get a micro SD card, and we'll give this thing a test, and we'll do a side-by-side with the camera that's built into the Tesla Model 3 versus the Soka Trace 1. So this is some footage from the dash cam, the Soka, in the Tesla Model 3. It's pretty wide angle, and it's high definition. It looks really good. I'm pretty impressed. There are some reflections from the dash showing, but it's not bad. I like the fact that you can just mount it and it records both the front and the interior without having to run an extra cable to the back or anything. It's a real quick, easy setup. These are the three cameras from the dash cam on the Tesla Model 3. They're also high definition, but they're 4:3 aspect ratio. They're not a 16:9. It's a more muted color palette. It's kind of, they're imaging cameras, and so it's not as vibrant, but there's a lot of high dynamic range. You can see the clouds in the sky as well as the darker areas in the bushes. Plus you can see the sides of the car. And that's something that I don't see in any other dash cams available on the market right now. So this is an overlap here, showing the Tesla in the middle and then showing the Soka on the outside edges. And you can see how much wider the field of view is on the Soka versus what's inside the Model 3. Overall, I'd say that the Soka is a great deal for under $100. There's a link in the show notes below. If you like videos like these, please subscribe. This is the Two Smart Guys Show. Thanks for watching.